It's Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP over the alleged attack on Arvind Kejriwal's car. A fresh war of words has erupted between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, with Delhi Chief Minister Atishi accusing the BJP of sending goons to attack AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal during campaigning in New Delhi Assembly constituency yesterday. Atishi has claimed that the attacker is a man whose name is Shanky and is related to Parvesh Verma. Parvesh Verma has rubbished all these claims and has alleged that Kejriwal's car had indeed hit two youths and he drove off, and that both parties have been making their own claims.
ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पर हमला करने के लिए हार्डन्ड क्रिमिनल्स गुंडों को मारने के लिए भेजा गया। जो बाकी शख्सियत इस अटैक में शामिल थी, जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं, इनका नाम है रोहित त्यागी। रोहित त्यागी जी का अगर आप फेसबुक पेज देखिए तो उसमें भी उनकी प्रवेश वर्मा जी के साथ फोटो है। वो प्रवेश वर्मा जी के प्रचार में लगातार शामिल हुए हैं। तो ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव की अपनी हार की बौखलाहट से अब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जान लेने तक उतर आई है।
ये कब हुआ? तीनों को टक्कर मारने के बाद, यानी कि पहले कोई पथराव इसमें नहीं हुआ है। अगर गाड़ी, हम तो देखते हैं कि कोई गाड़ी किसी के ऊपर में चढ़ जाती है तो स्थानीय लोग वो गाड़ी को आग लगा देते हैं। तो जो स्थानीय गुस्सा था वहां की जनता का, उसके बाद में ये कहना परवेश वर्मा के गुंडे हैं। मैं तो सारी मीडिया के सामने बैठकर अपने घर में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा था, उस समय ये सारी घटना हुई। इस आदमी को शर्म नहीं, इतना अहंकार हो गया है, इस आदमी के अंदर इतना घमंड हो गया है सत्ता का कि ये अपनी गाड़ी से बाहर निकलकर, इसको चाहिए था लोगों से बात करना। अगर जनता के साथ में तुम उनसे बात नहीं कर सकते तो ये काहे का आम आदमी पार्टी का मुख्यमंत्री बना है दिल्ली में?
Well, my colleagues Anushka as well as Shreya join us on the broadcast here, getting us more details from the ground. Anushka, if I could come to you first. Well, we believe Atishi has said that the BJP is trying to eliminate Arvind Kejriwal, and one of the attackers who attacked his car was associated with Parvesh Verma. What more information do we have about this man? Atishi said his name is Shanky and he is associated with Parvesh Verma. Any more details that have come out?
Well, certainly, Kitty, what we are seeing is another episode of BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the upcoming assembly elections. Also, what we are seeing is that the Aam Aadmi Party is constantly accusing the BJP, saying that the people who, in fact came in front of Arvind Kejriwal's convoy yesterday while he was doing the door-to-door campaign was related to Parvesh Verma. Lots and lots of photos and videos, and also the social media handle of the person named Shanky. There can be seen that he is in fact associated with, BJP's, leader and New Delhi candidate Parvesh Verma. But also what Parvesh Verma has come up and said that they were in fact, all the three people who were injured were in fact local voters of that place. Remember now, yesterday in Gol Market, Arvind Kejriwal was doing a door-to-door campaign when all of these events took place, wherein the Aam Aadmi Party is constantly saying that the BJP goons were attacking Arvind Kejriwal's vehicle, whereas the BJP is saying that the person who were in fact injured are in fact the local voters of that particular place, and they in fact came to confront Arvind Kejriwal, asking him as to what happened to his earlier promises, and the unemployed youth were in fact there to show their frustration regarding this whole matter. But also Delhi police, according to Delhi police sources, also no attack had happened. There was some sloganeering that did happen there at the site where Arvind Kejriwal was doing door-to-door campaign, but nobody tried to attack anyone, and the police separated the two groups when there was some sort of incident was about to happen. But also what we are seeing is that the Aam Aadmi Party is constantly doing press conferences and accusing the BJP, saying that Parvesh Verma, now remember in New Delhi constituency, Parvesh Verma is contesting against Arvind Kejriwal.
About these alleged attackers also. Shreya, any more details that have come out about these two persons who've been named by Atishi, Shanky and as well as Rohit Tyagi?
Well, of course, we know that this is just another political slugfest ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. We see Aam Aadmi Party senior leaders constantly saying that this whole alleged attack is, a completely fabricated attack by BJP candidates, BJP workers who have been, closely associated with Parvesh Verma, who is the candidate of the New Delhi constituency. We understand that New Delhi constituency is one of the hottest seats ahead of the elections, and of course we saw Atishi also saying that because they cannot, the BJP cannot defeat Aam Aadmi Party, they are resorting to these kind of violent tactics to eliminate, quote unquote, eliminate Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal also went on to say that he has never seen this kind of a violent poll campaign taking place ahead of the elections ever in the history of elections in Delhi, that the BJP allegedly is trying to eliminate Mr. Kejriwal because they are allegedly scared that they will not win the elections, and therefore they fabricated this whole attack to eliminate him. So this is the kind of development that took place today, with all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders constantly raising their voice against BJP's violent, so-called violent tactics, and also naming some of these people like Rohit and Rahul, who apparently have criminal cases against them, and who is also apparently as held by Atish.
All right, this fight is only going to get bitter and ugly in the coming days, ahead of the elections in the national capital. Well, the Aam Aadmi Party versus BJP face-off has erupted once again over this issue. We'll keep an eye on the developments here. Thank you so much, Shreya, as well as Anushka, for getting us all those details there.